Hello everyone, welcome to Unlock Apple Any iOS, and today's video we're going to unlock an iPad on your screen. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest notifications for the new videos. Once you subscribe, you can go inside the channel and check the latest video according to your need. At the moment, the information I have received today is 100% working, free of cost. This channel does not ask any money from anyone, so please don't forget to avoid messages coming on comments about scam. They are asking for money. Do not give and do not respond to those. They are pure spam. At the moment, the first thing what we have to do is to check your language. Once you choose your language, after that you are going to choose the country gonna comes on your screen. So do not choose country from the bottom, choose any country that coming. Once you choose that thing, you are going for the next step, and at the moment you can see on your screen this iPad is not connected with Wi-Fi, so this is a big thing for us as well, that we have to connect first and then to see. And this method is going to work any iOS and any generation of iPad and iPhone, any model in any country all over the world. So keep a close eye and check properly what I'm exactly doing. If you don't understand anything, you can free to ask a question in comments, and as I'll be more than happy to help you for 100% free of cost. As I said again, 100% free service provided. Just check the description and in a comment message what I'm doing pin for you to know that you have to like, subscribe and share these videos, so you will get free 100% service. Okay, once you click your country, of course you have to connect with your Wi-Fi. Can be your home Wi-Fi, can be your hotspot, anywhere, free Wi-Fi. Main thing is it has to be a Wi-Fi. Once you connect with internet, after that connecting, what you're going to do, of course you want to see that this iPad or iPhone is really iCloud lock or linked to an Apple ID or disable or any situation. So this is going to work for 100%. So for this thing, what we are really doing is we're getting iCloud activation lock on the screen, and on the next thing what we have to do is follow the full steps what I'm doing to get 100% result. If you miss a step, you won't get your iPad or iPhone or any Apple device, iPod or Apple Watch. You won't get unlocked just because you skip this step. Another thing, if you do something wrong, then you have to start this process from the start. You can't start from the place if you make any mistake. So make sure from A to Z, from start to end, you have to do everything continuously. No mistakes will unlock your iPhone or iPad. Next thing what we are going to do right now is going to the we press this home button to go to Wi-Fi settings. Once you get in there, you're pressing your information button of your home internet or your hotspot or any free Wi-Fi connection. After that thing, what you have to do, go to configure proxy, click on the manual here, and here you have to add what I'm going to give you the information. Make sure you do the same thing, and you have the very important thing, you really need to have a fast internet connection. Slow internet connection won't give you the 100% result, so make sure you have fast one, that the information you're going to add into this iPad, iPod, iPhone, Apple Watch, it has to take fast action. That is possible only with free Wi-Fi, or has to be a very fast one. Now here everybody has to write down in server capital You have to write down PPLE, and dot you're writing, and you're writing here capital FIX. Apple dot fix we write down. You're going into the port, everybody writing star 0000 and again star. Once you put the port on the position with star from the start and star in the end, you're clicking the authentication button, and it will pop in username and password. For today, right now and so on, you have to use, everybody has to use the same username and password what I am going to write down in here. So everybody going to write down username is Apple, I write down Apple, I capital S, spot POT, and once you do that, Apple I spot, you go to the password. Everybody has to write down password, that is your star, and you have to write down 000 4 times, and then again star 000, and you put a star in the end. You press here the save button. Once you click on the save button, you're going to back. Once you go back, your Wi-Fi is still connected. Pressing done, and here what you have to do is write down in Apple ID APPLE dot FIX, password as I said before, everybody star 0000. If this video is fast for some people, they can slow down and they can watch again. If you do not understand, of course you can watch again. So there is no rocket science. I have received some comment, they say I was too much fast in somehow. You can just slow down and you can watch it again. End of the day, I am repeating every single word what I am writing for you to understand 100% what we exactly doing. At the moment you see the home internet is connected still. Pressing next one more time and looking at what we are going to be doing. Okay, we're going to back. Now we need again information button here, so we pressing this and going to more Wi-Fi settings. Then it will appear your I button. Click I button and you are going to configure DNS. Click inside, click on the manual. In add server you have to write down here I, that is going to be your small I, capital SPOT, I spot, and you have to write down next in add server the last 4 digits of your IMEI of your iPad or your iPhone, iPod or Apple Watch. So for this 4 numbers what we have, and the way we have to write down is totally different. So the last 4 numbers I have is 5169, so I will write down 5169. I'm sure everybody understand the last 4 numbers of the IMEI. I write down with between dots 5.1.6.9, that is called dot as well, and you go into save button. Once you press save, it says here manual, because we go to manual already, all details are saved. Pressing back button and then pressing one more time back button, pressing next button and waiting here. Okay, what we do right now here is, you can see, okay, now what you can see, try again one more time. Okay, pressing back at the moment, pressing one more time back, and we have to keep trying till the time we will get the 100% result what exactly we are looking for here. Okay, try again button one more time. Okay, next, back, setup manual, and same thing, same numbers, same buttons you have to press what I am pressing right now in here. Okay, you will see this few times. Okay, Wi-Fi is connected on the top. Okay, now everybody has to go back, click on your I button, forget this network one time. Once you forget this network, press one more time, add your Wi-Fi code. Okay, once you add your Wi-Fi code, it should connect again. The thing we are trying to do hopefully is done straight away. Once it's connect to Wi-Fi, it takes you straight to activation screen. So it may take a few minutes. As you see, the data and privacy appears. That means the method we have tried in this video as it worked. So if it's working for me at the moment, what iOS I am using, this is iOS 12.1.4, that's the latest one. If things are working in this iPad with this iOS, it will be work 100% for you as well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe this channel, and for more information you are more than welcome to send a message in comment. I'll be more than happy to help you for 100% free without charges. So thank you for watching.